Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey Colorado, Clint Crocker here, Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. I want to talk to you about freezers today. So good news, Appliance Factory has freezers in stock. That's been one of the highest demand items that we have since the start of COVID. So we do have them in stock. I want to talk to you about 3 models that are available today. If you come into the store, you might want to call ahead, but I know that Appliance Factory has these right now. And these are chest freezers. So if you look here is a small chest freezer. It's 5 cubic foot. It's on sale for $269.99. If you want to get a larger one, we have a 7 cubic foot. It's $299.99, and even larger, the 9 cubic foot at $399.99. They all have the same basic features. So what I really like about them is they're all a manual freeze. So why is that good? There's automatic defrost, and then there's manual. What does manual do? It gives you an even temperature in your freeze all the time. It doesn't change. It's not going to go into automatic defrost cycle, which raises and lowers the temperature of your meats. So this one actually is very consistent. It means that your food will last longer in your freezer. Why do you need a freezer? Why is it so high demand right now? Well, it means that you don't have to go to the grocery store quite as often. It allows you to stay home and not be exposed in the areas that you may not want to be exposed in. So some other features that it has, they come with a removable basket inside, an external temperature control up right here. They have a light, so it will always be on when this freezer's on. That lets you know that the power's working. And then it's got a defrost drain, and when you do decide to defrost it, you don't have to bucket this thing out. It'll actually just drain right there from the bottom. So these are really good, basic, inexpensive freezers, and they're available today at Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.